Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the basic controls of your SoundPEATS H2. So the first control is to actually power it on or off. So if we go back to our music right here, let's start with this one. You can see the Bluetooth is on, so let's open the case and they should power on. Now to power it off, just close the case like that. And they're off. So the next option is to play or pause music. So let's open the case, take out our headphones like this, close the case, place it on the side. Now go back to the music, and to actually play the music we'll need to double tap MFB, and MFB is this touchpad right here with this golden S. So let's try that. The music starts. And now to stop the music, we'll need to double press it again. It stops. So the next option is to volume minus or volume plus. And to volume minus, you'll need to single tap your left MFB. And the left one is this, so let's try that. As you can see, it volumes down. And to volume up, repeat this process with the right one. It volumes up. Now we can go to previous or next track to go to the next one, because we have no previous tracks right now, we'll need to press and hold the right MFB. So this one is right, and we'll need to do it for about 1.5 seconds. So let's try that. We have the next track. Now to go into previous, you need to do the same thing, but with the left headphone. So let's try that. We're in the previous, so that works. Now we have the answer or hang up phone call, and to do that you will need to double tap the MFB, but I'm not in the phone call now, so I can't show you that. Now next thing is reject phone call, and you will need to press and hold the MFB for about 1.5 seconds, but I'm not in the phone call, so the same thing, I can show you that. And you can also switch between two phone calls, and to do that press and hold the MFB for 2 seconds. Now I'm gonna show you how to go manually into the pairing mode. So to do that we'll need to power off our headphones, and we'll do that by pressing and holding the MFBs for 10 seconds till they're shut off. They shut off. Now I'm gonna place them inside our case like this. We can go to our Bluetooth, and you can see they are offline. I'm gonna take them out now, and to enable them we'll need to press and hold MFB for 1.5 seconds. Let's try that. They turned on. So now enter manual pairing mode. We'll need to press and hold MFB for 6 seconds. So let's try that as well. And now try to pair with them. They connect. And next one is to actually activate your voice assistant. And to do that you will need to triple tap the right MFB. So let's try doing that. This one is left. I mistaken them, sorry. Triple tap, just like that. And we have our voice assistant. The next thing is to enter or exit game mode, and to do that you will need to triple tap the left MFB. So let's try that. And let's stop the music, because I want you to hear that we've actually entered it. So and we've entered game mode. So that was all. That's all of them. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.